Samsung just added AirDrop. Yes, your Galaxy can now share files with iPhones like Apple's AirDrop. This is huge. Android fans have been begging for this for years. Now, Samsung's new Quick Share update can send files directly to iPhones. No third party app is needed. I'm going to break down how it works, how it compares to Apple's AirDrop, and who actually wins in 2026. What AirDrop actually is? Apple's AirDrop is Apple's wireless file sharing system that lets iPhones, iPads, and Mac transfer files, photos, videos instantly without cables or apps. It uses Bluetooth and Wi Fi to create a direct connection, and it is one of the reasons sharing between Apple devices is so easy. On the other hand, what Samsung has actually launched? Samsung didn't invent the idea, but right now they just made it work with iPhones through a quick share update on the Galaxy S26 lineup that includes the S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. Samsung phones can now share files with iPhones just like AirDrop. It's available after installing the One UI 8.5 update and appears under Quick Share settings as an option labeled Share with Apple devices. Here's how it works. Update your Galaxy S26 to the latest software, which is One UI 8.5. Go into the settings, connected devices, Quick Share. Enable the new Share with Apple devices option. On the iPhone, set AirDrop to everyone so it is discoverable. Pick your files on the Galaxy and tap the iPhone when it shows up. No cables, no email, no mess. Now, Samsung's Quick Share versus Apple AirDrop. Here's the real comparison. AirDrop has been around for over a decade, loved for speed and simplicity. Samsung's new Quick Share, however, talks directly with AirDrop devices, which is brand new and which means Android users can send files to iPhones without apps or links, just like Apple users do among themselves. But there are still differences. Ecosystem support. AirDrop works everywhere on Apple devices. Samsung's version is only on the S26 series. Enable settings. AirDrop will show contacts automatically. Samsung still needs visibility settings. Speed and reliability. Well, early settings suggest it's good, but may vary depending on file size and network conditions. So, who wins? If you're an Apple user, AirDrop is still super smooth and integrated across phones, tablets, and Macs. If you're an Android user, this Samsung update is massive. You're finally not stuck with clunky workarounds or apps just to share files with iPhones. This is arguably the first real step in breaking Apple's long standing lock in for nearby sharing. So, what do you think? Will Samsung's AirDrop support make Android more popular? Or is Apple still the king of simple sharing? Comment your answer below. Like and subscribe for more tech news. explain fast, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. That's all for today. Till the next video. Bye for now.